Hi, Amber. My name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with local business owners here to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing tools that can help grow your business, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these strategies and implement them for yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So Google suggests that you have 1,500 words in order to be fully optimized with their systems to be on that front page on your homepage. So I went ahead and I threw you and your company that is your number one competitor on here. So this is yours. You're looking at 489 words. And then one of your top competitors, CNC Brick Pavers, is 1,325. So as you can see, their content is beating you out, and you both are a little shy of that 1,500, but getting to that 1,500 and maybe a little more will actually help you, and that's one of the easiest steps to get you optimized in Google's organic search list. Second thing I want to talk about is keywords. So when you type in Google, anything you're searching for, the first thing you see is ads. And that means people are paying for Google to be up on those ads. And studies have shown that ads are only semi-effective, and we both know they can definitely become a money pit if they're not bringing in adequate revenue. So the next best thing is keywords. So keywords work basically for whatever I type in. The algorithms of Google will run searches through the internet to find sites that have the content I'm looking for. So the keywords, Brick Pavers Tampa, as you can see, are some of their keywords and some of their top keywords. So when I type that in, that's why they're generating as the number one organic listed search. So you can see how that's important. And if I click over here to look at something on WordStream, you can see that brick pavers was searched 22,000 times. Paver installation, brick prices, paver setting. I mean, right here alone is over 15,000 searches. And also Google has shown through their click rates that 85% of people don't go past the first 10 websites they see to look for their customer or to look for what they're looking for. So what I mean by that is past the 10th site for whatever service they're looking for, only 15% of people are going to go that far. And your site, for when I looked up Brick Pavers Tampa, is actually on the 10th page. So that is a lot of clicks you could be missing out on as in customers. So you can see how important keywords are. The third and final thing I want to discuss are backlinks. So this is your competitor, CC Brick Pavers, and you can see they have a DR of 20, UR of 18, and they have 43 backlinks. So what backlinks are is they're links from other sources or other sites to your page. And what these are is they're basically a popularity contest, so to speak, but they give your site validity and they give it trust. So Google looks at it. If you're getting trustworthy sites to link to your site, then your site must have trust, and therefore they will promote it to a higher page. So let's look at yours. And you have 491 backlinks, but you only have a DR of 1.3. So what this tells me is a lot of your backlinks are coming from what Google has identified as spammy websites, or sites that have your backlinks, but they have come to learn that if you're not getting them from high quality sites that they recommend as quality sites, then they will kind of take away from your trust. So it's almost like 5 untrustworthy people telling someone that you're a good person versus 2 trustworthy people telling someone that they're a good person. It's really all about quality as opposed to just quantity when talking about backlinks. So what I would suggest is going through, looking at where your backlinks are coming from and getting rid of those spammy ones and only keeping the quality ones to help boost that DR up, because the DR and UR combined are what ultimately help promote your company and get you in the top ranking in organic searches. So in closing, we went over 3 things that you could be doing to help promote you through organic searches. First, we discussed content and having that minimum of 1,500 words on that front homepage. Next, we discussed keywords and having those important keywords to drive those searches towards your company. Lastly, We discuss the importance and the prevalence of link juice through backlinks and getting those relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority and you're a trustworthy site. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could easily be number one across Google and driving in much more revenue through the customer clicks. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with all the information I provided you today and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that because I'm all about local business growth. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to see what else I have up my sleeves and the other strategies I have to promote you to the top of Google and other promotion methods to get you a higher customer base, go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig. My number is 813-515-3488. I really look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.